Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's topic is the tumors of liver and biliary tree. In our today's topic, we will talk about the tumors of the liver and biliary tree. And in the first section, we will talk about the primary liver tumors. Primary liver tumors are the tumors which originate from the liver and they are not metastasized from the other organs of the body or from other tumor sites. The primary liver tumors are the secondary liver tumors which metastasize to the liver are commonly from the colon, pancreas, and the breast carcinomas. They are the cancers that can metastasize to the liver. So primary liver tumors which we will talk is the fibrolamellar type of hepatocellular carcinoma. Then we will discuss the epithelioid hemangioendothelioma, and hemangio is for the blood vessels and endothelium is the inner lining of the blood vessels. So these primary tumors develop from the hemangioendothelium, and these tumors are known as hemangioendotheliomas. Then we will discuss about the gallbladder cancer. Gallbladder is the structure, pouch-like structure present below the liver. So very commonly associated with the liver disorder also, and the biliary tract and biliary tree, the gallbladder cancer. So gallbladder is the structure for the storage of the bile. We will talk about gallbladder cancer, which has poor prognosis. So it's not survival with the gallbladder cancer is not very good. Then as we move to the next section, we will talk about the cholangiocarcinoma, and this cholangiocarcinoma is the carcinoma of the biliary tract or biliary tree. And then we will discuss in this section what is cholangiocarcinoma, how we diagnose cholangiocarcinoma, because what are the different tests we can perform to diagnose cholangiocarcinoma, and what are the different treatment options available for cholangiocarcinoma. Then in the third section, we will talk about some metastatic tumors and also benign tumors of the liver. Metastatic tumors, the tumors which are metastasized to the liver from other parts, also known as the secondary liver tumors, because they are not the primary tumors which originate from the liver, but they are the tumors that are metastasized to the liver from other different carcinomas or different organs. In this, we will talk about the carcinoma of the ampulla of water, where the biliary duct enters into the duodenum, which is first part of the small intestine. So carcinoma of that ampulla we will discuss in this section. Then also what are the different tumors that are metastasized to the liver, how we can control and manage and diagnose those tumors, what are the different treatment options for those tumors which are metastasized to the liver and they are not the primary liver tumors. And then the benign liver tumors we will discuss in this section also, like adenomas, hemangiomas, which are more localized type of the tumor, more well-defined tumors, easy to treat because they are limited to that area and they are limited to the liver, and they do not, benign tumors usually have less tendency to spread unless they transform into the metastatic type of the tumor. So all this will be discussed in detail in our today's topic, which is the tumor of the liver and biliary tree. So keep watching sqadia.com to learn about this topic.